Images are from the most important elements in Videoscribe. To add a new image, simply go to the bottom right here and click on the Add New Image icon. The images appearing here are the recent images being used in your recent project. To play an image or to preview it, right-click and select Preview an Image. It will show you how the image will be drawn inside your canvas. Here we've got the recommended images from Videoscribe itself. And as you can see, it takes around 1 second to load the images. We've got also so many categories of images which serves your needs and your projects. For example, business images are used to promote products. We've got the callouts, we've got the household images, we've got money images, also used for marketing videos. We've got people images, we've got people female, people male, and we've got so many categories, and I advise you to go and discover them a bit more. We've got local saved images and online saved images. Online saved images contain the online word between brackets. To add your own image, go to the bottom here and select the import icon. Videoscribe supports so many image formats like CVG, PNG, JPG, zip, and GIF, and so on. To add an image from an online, click the globe here icon and paste the URL link here, then click the check mark. And to play an image, simply select the image and click that play from the current element button. It will play your images from the one you've selected. Or you can also, let me add more images to show you the effects of the play buttons. Let me resize this rabbit. Let me drag it here and drag that here. So if you want to play our images from the start to the end, we simply click here. From the left play button, it will play all the images from the start to the end. Let me stop that. And if we want to play our images from or starting from the one that we select, let's select the heart for example and click the play from the current element button, and it will start playing the images from the one we've selected. So that's all for adding images, and in the next video we'll talk more about adding text to our projects. See you in the next video.